Yeah, so these Ray-Ban Meta glasses, they're pretty cool. I'm just driving through downtown Phoenix right now, and I'm basically recording. I think one of the best things about them is that you can record without losing any sort of attention, especially if you have both hands on the wheel. So far so good. I actually like these glasses, and I just got them recently, so this review is kind of new, but my first impressions are they're pretty good because you can literally start recording without having to pull out a device or anything like that. So if you liked and enjoyed the video, please give a like.